I am so excited. We have received our shipment and it's a free shipment for 2 meals for 4 people from Green Chef. And the package says Happy Holidays. I will open it up and see what's inside. But anyway, it looks very festive and it goes well with our tablecloth. Just really excited about this one because one of the items that we're getting is pho, and that's one of my favorite soups. Okay, let me get a utensil or something so that I can open the package. Okay, so again, Green Chef sent us a free shipment for 2 meals for 4 people each, and this is how it's packed. So my favorite, chicken and veggie pho. Oh, I can't wait till I make this one. And Middle Eastern meat lovers. Okay, looks good as well. It's couscous, roasted broccoli, and cauliflower and feta. Okay, not bad. So let's dig in and see. Okay, so it's nice. Okay, what do we have here? Eat, drink, and be sherry. Green Chef, Happy Holidays. I guess these must be some gifts. Well, we'll look into that later. But maybe it's something that we can send to friends, like discounts. That's what it seems like. Well, nice packaging so far. And here are our spices. Everything is nice and cold, so I'll just take everything out and I'll place items in the refrigerator. It looks like it's all organized. Hopefully no damage. Okay, so I took all of the items out because I wanted to share with you guys how awesome this thing is organized. So the recipes are organized and the items are organized by color. So labels this color, and here we go. It says, so look for this color label, and here we go. All of these are for the chicken veggie pho, and then it says look for this color label, and here we go, all the labels. How neat. And this is for the Middle Eastern meat lovers. Okay, so I placed everything on the table and it is all in great shape. We have all the items, and again, thank you, Green Chef. This was free. So what else can I say? My favorite and for free. Okay, guys, I will make sure that I'll share the gift cards with some of my friends for the holidays. Okay, see you soon. Easy cooking. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite soups. It's chicken and veggie pho from our Green Chef, which was free. And ingredients that we have are organic cremini mushrooms, organic chicken tenders, organic carrots and celery, snap peas, organic cilantro and scallions. We have organic brown rice noodles, ginger anise spice blend, hoisin sauce, organic sriracha sauce. Very good, I like it. Pho base, organic garlic, ginger and yellow onions. And what I'll do now is I'll have to clean the mushrooms, and we'll cut those, and then I'll clean the snap peas and we'll start combining all of the ingredients in a large pot. Can't wait to have this soup. Again, it's one of my favorites. I prepared all of the ingredients and now it's time to start combining them. So the first thing we'll do is we have a large pot. We'll add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil, to the bottom. That's about 1.5 tablespoons. And the first item that we'll be adding are the cremini mushrooms. We'll wait for the oil to heat up. That will be our first item. And then right after that, we'll add the organic garlic, ginger, and yellow onions mix. It looks like it's ready. Okay, yes. The oil has heated, so we're adding the mushrooms first. Lower the heat to medium. Now we're adding this mix. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. Keep stirring it. I lowered the heat. You have to stir it for about 2 minutes until the mushrooms are a little bit softer. Now after adding the salt, mushrooms are letting their juices out, so yeah, it smells good already. The next step in the recipe is to add the carrots and yellow onions and celery. Those already came prepped. We didn't have to chop them. They're already chopped and placed together. So very convenient. And after all, it's supposed to be easy cooking. Okay. Just stir everything. And Otto came over, our lovely German Shepherd. Again, the scents are bringing him. He must enjoy all the smells. So when we added garlic and ginger and the yellow onions, everything was very aromatic. It smells great. And the next step is to add ginger and anise spice blend. Okay. Again, oh, great. We'll mix that as well, and then we'll add the faux base. Okay. It's ready for our faux base. And now you'll need a measuring cup because we'll need 5.5 cups of water. So I already have 4 cups of water added to our soup starter, and now I'm adding another 1.5 cups. That makes 5.5 cups of water. And turn the heat to medium-high and cover the pot. We need to let this boil, and once it boils, we'll add the chicken. So our soup is boiling. One thing that they forgot to do is describe at what time or at what stage to add the peas, but we were clever enough that we remembered, so we added them. And now I'll just start adding the chicken. We'll have to bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer it for 8 minutes. So it has been over 8 minutes, and now is the time to add our brown rice noodles. And at this stage we will cook the noodles in the soup, and we will not be covering the pot. And don't worry if they stick out a little bit as they start cooking, they will fit in the pot. Our soup is ready, and it's time for plating. You want to get some of that chicken, and definitely lots of liquid. Now we'll top it with cilantro and scallions. I like a lot of cilantro and scallions in mine. And we also have sriracha sauce and hoisin sauce. Okay, and I'll need another spoon. For the sriracha. Ah, nice. I can't wait to just dig in and taste it. It smells great. The color is beautiful. And it's ready. Easy cooking. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. It's great.